Seismic. I know it refers to earthquakes, but you can also use it when you talk about something large, something enormous, and it's much more descriptive than the word big. Instead of saying, yeah, that's a big old roller coaster, you could say, that roller coaster is seismic. You see how much more descriptive that is? And when you use that word, people envision a huge roller coaster. Anybody can say, oh, yeah, that's a big roller coaster. That's a seismic roller coaster. It makes you sound more sophisticated, more intelligent, and everybody uses the word big. Try seismic. Something really large when you're wanting to make a point that whatever it is really big. Seismic. Love the word. I will have another one tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe.